We are in week 7 and we are doing Italian this week, as you know. We have a salad and calzone today. So the salad is fennel, as you can see here. So I cut them thin. These are 3 fennel bulbs. And with that, what we will do is I've cut these rounds from lemon. So we'll put all of them in here, along with some zest, which is julienne, very thinly julienne. So that will give a lot of lemony flavor. And then we have some toasted cumin seeds, about 2 tablespoons. And I have a little bit of the fennel fond here, just to give it a little bit more fennel flavor. And for the dressing, it's very simple. So we have just olive oil. That's about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Lots of salt. And pepper. Very simple salad, but very refreshing. In the summer, the lemon gives you that refreshing feeling. So just a simple salad to go with our calzone, because the calzone is going to be heavy. So we didn't want a lot of oil or vinegar in the salad. Let's taste it. It has that toasty smell and taste from the cumin. We need a little bit more salt. A little bit more. It takes a lot of salt, and the acidity will come from the lemons. So we'll let it marinate in the refrigerator for about till we are ready to serve. So that's good. It has a lemony flavor. It's that anisey fennel flavor. And then when we cook the sausage for the calzone, we'll use some fennel seeds. So you'll see. So that way, it'll merge together very well. So this one, I want to put it in the fridge. Into the calzone part, I bought some pizza dough, pre-made pizza dough. This is European style. You can buy any pizza dough. This will make 4 calzones. So we'll cut it into 4 pieces, and then we'll make the calzone. And for the filling, what we have is about a pound of hot Italian sausage, and we will saute this in some olive oil, garlic, and fennel seeds, like I said. But also then we'll put in some red wine vinegar and some good red wine to finish this off. And then once it's cooked, we will put it into the calzone and bake it. So the oven is hitting at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The pan is hot, medium-high heat. I put in the olive oil. Put in the sausages. So these are cut into cubes, like slices of about 2 inches. So these are spicy Italian sausages, so I found them. If you don't want spicy, you can use whichever sausage you want. We'll add the garlic. And the fennel seeds. You keep cooking till it's golden brown. The sausage doesn't need to be fully cooked because it will cook in the oven. It's giving off that fennel garlic flavor. Sausages have started to turn golden brown. So I'll add the red wine vinegar here. And then this is red wine, half a cup. And we'll let the wine reduce. So that there is no wine left. As you can see, the wine is all gone. It's absorbed by the sausages. So this is done, and then we're going to let it cool a little bit, and then stuff the calzones. The filling is ready. I have 4 quarters. The pizza dough was square or rectangle. So I cut it into 4 squares, and then I divided the filling into 4, and then we'll put it in. So there's no cheese in these calzone. Take a little bit of water on the sides. And then fold it over. Make sure you seal it in properly. And to make it a little beautiful, get rid of some of the excess dough. So that's it. We'll put it into the 450-degree oven for 10 minutes, and then another 10 minutes we'll lower the heat to 400 and then cook it for another 10 minutes. Have the calzone and then the fennel salad to go along with it. And then to finish it off, a little bit of olive oil. So this is extra virgin olive oil. The dough will soak that up and it will taste really beautiful. So there you have it, calzone with a fennel and lemon salad. Thank you for watching my videos, liking them and sharing them. I'm now on Instagram, Journey of a Home Cook, so please do support me and share my videos. Bon appetit and have a great night. See you tomorrow.